Thanks for visiting the Car Pros at Geneva Foreign Sports, conveniently located exit 42 near Geneva, New York. We're looking at here 2013 BMW X1. It's the 28i model, and I love the it's got rain sensing wipers there and the halogen lights, and kind of gave it a quick zoom in on the tires. Love the styling of this vehicle. It's actually within 6 inches of overall length compared to an X3, but much more nimble. And I love the sport appearance and what BMW did here. And you can see those 17-inch tires are 225/50 R17s. Styling on this is phenomenal. I love the Valencia orange. That's what this is, Valencia orange. And it's got oyster beige leather interior. We're about to see that up close. I got the air blasting like super loud, so if you're hearing a little wind noise blowing my hair around. As I say, oyster bay, gorgeous interior, BMW features. This one's got 72,558 miles. Fantastic condition, all-wheel drive, 2-liter twin turbo, i4 engine. You're looking at the power door locks, power mirrors. You got your hands-free controls for your audio. I'm gonna just zip through this car. It's kind of hot day here. We got multimedia, nav, all the features listed here, and your dual climate control air, heated seats as well, as you can see right there, and sound system, and fantastic. There's your controls for your menu and your media center. And let me zip up here real quick. We got a panorama roof, sliding. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Great passenger room. Love again that oyster interior, oyster leather. This is an 8-speed automatic too. It gets 22 on the around town and 33 on the highway. And there's your panorama roof. BMW. We'll take a quick look one more time here on the lines here on the back. Come around the X1 badging and the panorama roof. You can kind of see up high. Again, Valencia orange. Love this color. Those are run flat all-season tires. And the gas doors on the passenger side. There's the tires up close, 17s. Nice and clean lines, solid paint, beautiful condition. Make a great car for a young professional, or maybe a mom who wants to let her hair down and zip around town. All-wheel drive. We'll remove the bird stuff on the hood there. They fly over our building all the time here. In any case, love the lines here. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And connect with us. Let us know how we can help.